Hello, this is Captain Max and we are going to emergency room for sales. We are at the spot where the sales shop is located and we're gonna bring in our main to do some repairs. Opening this table is really huge, so you can open any size of sail. Here it's very professional shop. They do here the sail for the best performing boss. Here is our problem. It was burned by the sun, and this is why the sail is not so good like it was. New sail will cost around 65 euro per square meter. 25 square meters. It will cost us around 1.5k. You see how you pack it professionally?